can see the tear and wear from the luggage and your legs. Time to do something about all this. This will be interesting. What color have I picked? Oh. This will be nice. I think the most common question is, how hard is it to put these on? This should be like this. And yeah, I will try it out and we'll see. First thing is to get everything super clean. See all of this? Try to get rid of it. Trying to remove this, you can see it's coming off here, but it's super hard to get it off. I mean, these stickers are not that hard to get off. I think this is pretty easy, like that. But I want to get this, there is a white one. Oops. This can be pretty stupid, but this is the fuel tank and this is a heat gun. Gone. I don't know what it's called when you put this kind of decal kit on the bike, but I think the easiest way to do it is to just take these ones off. You can see it's always a little bit of dirt behind these, and I promise you, when you put on the stickers, you will have dirt in the wrong place. That's my luck in a way. Removing the shitty radiator guard. This one, you need a long 8. Kom igen. So. Then we have the key thing to loosen the seat. There's one of these. Yeah, it's was possible. Around and out. So on this side you have one of these plastic fantastic shitty stuff, but you just unscrew it until it flips around like this, then you can get it out. The easiest way is to just boom, out. Number 5 again. And then there is that. These ones are special, or not special. And now then, was it? Yeah, it was forward. I remember it was something with forward. It's supposed to be a bit longer ones. Yes. I should bring it that up there. It's there, it slows there, so then it's just. Ooh. But it shouldn't rip it out. You should put it upwards, I see. It was so much easier to clean these when they are off, so I will take off as much plastic as possible and do all the wrapping on the kitchen table. Maybe sheeting, but I don't give a shit. Or should I go for the white? Aligning it, putting some tape, lining it this side, putting some tape on there, and then this is gonna wrap around and it's gonna go like that, and this one goes down there, so it's a bit of... This is not the easiest one to do. Let's do the fork leg guards. So this is very heavy vinyl. It's very good quality. It has a protective film on top of it. Start with this one up here, and I think it should be pretty much like this. Then we go down to this place. It needs to come like this, and if it's there, move around here. That looks good. Maybe a little more this way. I think this is... That's good. So I'll put one more of these here. So then this should be, stuck where it should be. And now I'll start with peeling this off. And try to not put your thumb on the edges. Try to, if you need to hold it a bit in. I don't know if it's visible, but there are like air channels here. There we go. Do this. And then make sure it lines up, and wish me luck. And I think it's good. Just massage it. Okay, let's try one of the tricky ones. Side fairing. This goes on like this, and it's also, meant to be, how do you put it? How do you say? Put around like this. So this one is a bit more work to get done. So let's try it. So this is probably one of the trickier ones. The tank might be even worse. Line in this corner. That is one. That must be to get these ones perfectly aligned. And then this is moving over. Good. Whew. Let's start with this corner in place. This corner. Saved it. Good. Okay, so I'm fixing it there, so we know it's got the right angle. Then I will push in this one. So So what's the plan? I picked everything apart, so you can see. I started with the wrapping. I went for the white one because the plastic is white. I had the sand one as well, but I don't like how the white will shine through the sand. Proper interesting to see how I can get this to sit on this one. I think I need to start in the middle. That was a pretty tricky one. This is perfect here. Little more gap. Otherwise it's okay, I think. So this should align with this, I guess. I don't know. A bit corny. Then we have this piece. But I don't know if I want it. I kind of like it all black behind the screen. So this is what I'm a bit skeptic about. This one goes on here, like this. Don't think it will be a problem to put it on. But if I hold it in place, you can see all the orange that will be visible through. Now we all love orange, but is this pretty? Yeah. So I've decided that I will make this one, or do this one, and I will use and cut these ones to be able to cover that part, and maybe this one to this part, and something to this part. Okay, done. Beautiful? Nah. Better than before? Not. Good enough for me? Not. Perfecto mondo. So there's two things that it hooks down like this. Then you have a just a quick rubber thingy there. There we go.